Hi everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of line up. We click on settings. Here, as you see in this first page, we click on settings. Then we click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here you will search about line and you will enter. Then here we click on first stop and we click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. Here you will turn on your airplane mode and you will turn off your airplane mode again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.